How's it going, everyone? Today I'm getting started on the turbo install. I got all my stuff here. Gonna go pull the bumper off the car and pull it in the garage and start pulling it apart. Alright, stick around. Alright, take this bumper off. Alright, start. We're gonna disconnect the battery. Gonna take off the strut brace. That's not gonna fit the turbo. Might go with the Cusco strut brace at some point that will clear. Turbo is going to sit right here. Take this intake off. Alright. Taking off this wiring harness now. We got the wiring harness, the battery lead disconnected, and now there's this bracket on the back side. Let's see if I can show you guys. It's gonna be this bracket right here. We're gonna be taking that off, and then I have to modify that. This is the bracket here, so we need to cut all of this off. That's not going to be used anymore. I'm going to cut this and then I'll primer it, put it back in the car. Alright, cutting that piece off. Take this, I'll file it down a little bit, and primer it, put it back in the car. This guy will spray with some primer. Take these two 10mm bolts off, and that's the injection cover here. modifying it a little bit. Have to bend some brackets. We're reinstalling this guy. It's that bracket on the back side of the motor that I modified. Just added some primer to it so it doesn't rust. Alright, bent these two back brackets down to make room for the turbo, and also have to grind this little lip down on here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lip that needs to be taken off to make space. I guess I forgot to start recording, but I've just been taking this edge down on here. It's got to be flush so the turbo bracket will fit. It's taking some time. Let's hope this does it, because that's my last little sandpaper wheel. Alright, it's pretty flat. See if that works. So the video got cut off a little short. I was in the middle of working on the car, and there was a big fire that happened really close to my house. So we had to evacuate. I'm back home now. It's a few days later. I'm gonna keep working on the car and hope that we don't get evacuated again. There's a lot of smoke. This house is burned down just in the neighborhood close to here. So I'm probably gonna be wearing a mask for the rest of the video. I'll take it off when I'm talking to the camera just so you guys can understand what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm gonna keep working on it. And I talked to Works today, rescheduled my dyno day for next Friday. So I'm just gonna keep plugging away. Thanks for everybody that's watched this far, and stick around. I'm gonna be doing some more episodes. Still got a decent amount of work left to do, so I'm gonna try to just keep recording and keep plugging away. Thanks everybody.